Gusto mo ba ng bahay na may libreng gate at fence? Yung hindi mo na kailangan magbayad para dito? Dito sa Pacific Town Naik, kasama na yan when you reserve a unit. Imagine secured agad ang bahay mo. At eto pa, kahit na nagda-down payment ka pa lang, may chance ka nang makalipat this year or early next year. Oo, tama ang narinig mo. Pwede ka na mag-move in habang nagbabayad ka pa lang ng down payment. At eto pa, kung nag-iisip ka kung gaano kalaki ang monthly equity, relax ka lang dahil 4,958 lang ang monthly equity dito. Plus, this isn't just about having your own house. Pacific Naik offers a community that is flood-free, safe, and family-friendly. Imagine living in a place with parks, playground, and security, all at an affordable price. Alam ko, excited ka na mag-house tour? Tara, house tour kita!
May 42 square meter na lot area at 42 square meter na floor area na perfect para sa family mo. May provision for 2 bedrooms para lahat may sariling space. At may kisame-na-len para kumpleto ang ginhawa. Plus, may malaking parking space para sa kotse mo. No need to worry kung saan mo ipaparada. At ang good news, 5,000 lang ang reservation fee, available through Pag-ibig Financing, kaya abot kaya ang bayad. Monthly equity is 4,958 lang for 48 months. Ang required income is 30,000 lang. Kung hindi ka pasok, pwede kang kumuha ng co-borrower para mas madali ang approval. May bonus pang free move-in fees with Meralco at water connection. Lipat agad, walang hassle. Ang pang hinihintay mo, mag-message ka na sa amin para sa free site tripping at makuha ang dream home mo dito sa Pacific Town Naik. Kompleto na, abot kaya pa, may parking space pa.
I'm trying to kiss your lips for real.